If you're a Shopify merchant, you know how easy it is to miss a contact form submission. Today, I'm going to show you how I built an app that fixes that and how you can install it in under 2 minutes. First, let's submit a message through the store's contact form to show you what happens without the app installed. I'll fill in the fields and click Submit. The submission was successful, and as you can see, nothing appears in Slack. That lead just disappeared into the void. Now let's install the app. I'll paste the install URL into a new tab. Here's the OAuth screen. I'll click Install. Now we'll go to Shopify Admin, find the app, navigate to Settings, and paste the Slack webhook URL here. I'll click Save. I've built in a send test message feature so merchants can verify the integration is working instantly without needing to submit a real form. Let's click it. And there it is, a Slack notification confirming the integration is live. You'll also notice the webhook URL is hidden by default with a show and hide toggle, keeping it secure. And if you ever get stuck at any point, the app has a full step-by-step setup guide right on the home screen, so any merchant can get this running without any technical knowledge whatsoever. Now let's connect the app to the contact form. We'll go to the theme editor, navigate to the contact page, find the contact form block, click Add Section, click the Apps tab, search for Contact Form Slack, click it, and save. That's it. The app is now live on the storefront. Let's go to the contact page on the live site. I'll fill in all the fields and submit the form. And there it is, an instant Slack notification. Let's pull up the Slack channel. Message delivered in real time with the customer's name, email, and message all formatted and ready to act on. This is what I love about building on Shopify. A problem that used to require a custom backend integration and weeks of development work is now a 2-minute install. And the value to the merchant is real. Faster response times, no missed leads, and a direct line from your customer to your team. The app is currently in review for the Shopify App Store. In the meantime, if you're interested in early access or want something like this built for your store, reach out through commerceace.com. Thanks for watching.